Hello everyone. In the last video, we have derived one relationship E into S is equal to GS into W. So, in this video, we will be deriving one more relationship. So, that is in terms of this is actually gamma T, bulk unit weight. How can we write bulk unit weight in terms of specific gravity of soil solids and void ratio? So this three-phase diagram I have already derived in the last video, like by assuming volume of solids is equal to 1, how we can write volume of water is equal to void ratio into degree of saturation, how we can write weight of solids is equal to specific gravity of soil solids into unit weight of water. So again I am not deriving, I directly wrote so the volume of water, weight of solids in the three-phase diagram directly, since I have already derived in the last video. Now if you check this is actually we can easily write. So bulk unit weight is equal to total weight by total volume, So if you can observe in the three-phase diagram, this total weight will be weight of water plus weight of solids, and this total volume will be volume of weight plus volume of water plus volume of solids, volume of weight plus volume of water plus volume of solids. So this is equal to 1 according to our assumption. So this will be equal to E. Why E? Since void ratio is equal to volume of voids to the volume of solids. If volume of solids is equal to 1, then void ratio is equal to volume of void. Volume of voids is equal to void ratio we can write. So this is about the denominator. If you carefully observe the numerator, in place of weight of water, what we can write? S into E into gamma W. So S into E into gamma W plus, in place of weight of solids, plus GS into gamma W, specific gravity of soil solids into unit weight of water. So specific gravity of soil solids into unit weight of water. In the denominator what we are having? E plus 1 or 1 plus E. This is actually is equal to gamma T. So gamma T is equal to, if you take it out, unit weight of water as a common in both SE into gamma W and specific gravity into water, then it will become E into S plus GS, E into S plus GS by 1 plus E into S plus GS into gamma W by 1 plus E. So now we can write GS plus SE into gamma W by 1 plus E. So this is bulk unit weight in terms of specific gravity and void ratio and degree of saturation and unit weight of water. So if you observe from formula 4, we know that E into S is equal to GS into W. E into S is equal to GS into W. If you keep this E into S is equal to GS into W here, then our unit weight will be gamma T is equal to GS plus, we are just keeping E into S is equal to GS into W in the numerator. So GS into W into gamma W by 1 plus E. 1 plus E. So in the same way, if we can take GS as common, then GS into 1 plus W into gamma W by 1 plus E. 1 plus E. So gamma T is equal to GS into gamma W by 1 plus E into 1 plus water content Again, this will be equal to gamma D. So actually with this, gamma T portion is completed, but we will be deriving one more formula in the next videos, that I will be deriving here itself. Anyway, I will be deriving one more time while discussing this gamma D is equal to G gamma W by 1 plus C. But here, since we are deriving, I will include this one also. So gamma D into 1 plus W. So gamma D is equal to gamma T by 1 plus W. This actually gamma T over gamma B, bulk unit weight, both are one and the same. So what we have derived by using the three-phase diagram, we have derived bulk unit weight in terms of specific gravity and void ratio and degree of saturation and unit weight of water. So we have used one more relationship also that we have already derived initially, and this is the next part which will be coming in our next videos. So I have derived it just to show how we can play with this three-phase diagram and these phase relationships. If some unknown parameter is asked, by using this three-phase diagram and this soil water relationships only, we can able to find whatever the thing that is asked in the problem. So we just need to do we just need to know what is asked in the problem and how we can relate these soil water relationship according to that particular problem. These soil water relationships are very useful, and this relationship will continue throughout our geotechnical engineering. So thanks for watching. If you like my content, please like my video and subscribe as well. Thank you.